Oh, hi! How are you? Yeah, really it's hot. Let's go inside. Work AC and more cool. Do you want a coffee? I will preparing for you. I hope it will be tasty. Do you like it? Yeah, it's nice design. And when we build this one, we're thinking about small details. Enjoy, it's your coffee. Do you think it's huge one? Definitely, it's not hugest in the world. Did you know it's have a lot of different shapes and sizes of the caravans? And like this also. You had no idea about it? Then let me introduce all difference between all of them. If you don't mind, of course. Have trailers with different sizes and different prices. Have campers. I like it. It's my favorite. With this one, you're feeling more freedom and more flexibility. Have huge one RVs and motorhomes. You know, big toys for big boys. Also, do not forget about van. It's very popular with young travelers, enthusiasts. All of them different from different materials and for different purpose. Somebody do by himself, you know, like handmade toys. He think he will save some money. Maybe. Other one purchasing huge and expensive RVs and store in the backyard of him house. Different people, different idea, different budget. There are a lot of production companies from many countries in the world. Some of them use technologies from 70s. 70s! Now, 2022. Other one use innovation technologies and modern design. Are you asking what's the difference? In this case, we need to start from the basic. Have caravans from America. Wow, magic. Not bad. Not bad. Have caravans from Europe. And again, magic. That guys used modern and stylish design. Australian caravans used a lot of innovation technologies, but maybe not such Australians, if you know what I mean. Also, have new player on this field, Turkey, dark horse. And of course, the last but not the least, let's talk about Middle East. I'm like a poet. And in Middle East, we just start our bumpy way to great future. It's make you wonder. In this case, we need more time to talk. And now, very good time to you. Grab some more coffee and I will preparing for you huge bowl of the delicious facts and stories about caravans and travels. See you soon. And don't forget to follow. Do not miss your chance to know more.